In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create your own custom header for your Google site. And the custom header is going to look significantly better than the default header that we see here. To get started, use the link in the video below to take you to the header template. And the header template is a Google drawing. And it's going to look just like a plain blue box. But it's important that you use this template because this box is exactly 960 pixels wide, which will go along with the width of your site. So you want to make a copy of this first. So I'm going to go to File, Make a Copy. I'm going to name this Mr. Beavers' ePortfolio header. I'm going to click OK. Now it's going to take me to my own copy of the header. And there's a couple things that we can do to make this look really great. One is to change the color. So if I select the box, on the formatting toolbar, I can click Fill Color, and maybe I want to choose a different shade of blue. So you can pick from here any color that you would like. Then I want to add the title of my site. So I'm going to click the text box. I'm going to click anywhere on my blue rectangle, and I'm going to type in the title of my site. And I'm going to do a couple of things to this text. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to center it, so I want to align that. And probably make it just a tad bigger, so let's do 60. Now if this happens where you don't see the entire title within the box, you can of course stretch out that text box so that it fits inside of there. There we go. And now maybe I want to change my font. Arial is a nice font, but I want to change it to something different. And so if I go to the font menu here, and this should pop up momentarily, I can choose a different font from the list that appears. So let me go ahead and pick Brawler. So I'm going to use Brawler as my font from the list. And then the last thing I want to do is change the color of the text. So I'm going to go back up to my formatting toolbar and change that to white. Now something else that you can do if you would like to add a custom graphic to your header is you can go up here to the Insert menu and insert an image from your computer. And so I'm going to choose an image to upload. I'm going to find the Wes Morris logo, which I already have downloaded on my computer. So let me scroll down to that. And I'm going to add that to my header graphic. So there it is. I'm going to make that just a tad smaller and put that up in the top left-hand corner. So now I've got my custom header, and what you'll need to do is save it to your computer. So I'm going to go to File, Download As, and save this as a PNG, and that should download it to my computer. Now if I go back to my Google site, I'm going to go to More, and I'm going to select Manage Site. Now to get this set up correctly, the first thing I want to do on the General tab is uncheck Show Site Name at Top of Pages. We're going to get rid of that. And I'm going to click Save. That's the first change I'm going to make. Then under Themes, Colors, and Fonts, I'm going to select Site Header. And I'm going to use my own custom image. So I want to make sure I have this radio button selected. And I'm going to upload the header that I just created. So I'm going to scroll down. Find my custom header and open that. And then I want to make sure that the header is not repeated. So I'm going to say none. And I'm going to center it horizontally and vertically. Now I'm going to click Save. Now when I'm finished, I'm going to click this link on the left-hand side to go back to my site, and I should see my new custom header. But of course, you can't see the entire header, and it's being blocked by that search box. One last change I need to make. I'm going to go to More, go to Edit Site Layout, and I'm going to click on my header. Now here I can configure my header's height, and I'm going to go down here to the third button, And I'm going to type in a value of 220 pixels. And you can see after I hit return, that looks a lot better. You can actually see the Wes Morris logo. You can see the title of my site. But if you have to tweak that again, you can click on the site header again, and you could type in a different value. Maybe try 200 or 180 to see what looks good. And when you're finished, click close. Now you'll have a custom header for your Google site that'll look a lot better than the default header that was included.